All right, every year at this time we do it. Take a look at your pedometer. How many miles have you walked at CES this year?
Looking at my pedometer right now, I'd say 0.26.
Not a lot of walking this year.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
TCL actually had a lot of news. The rollable tablet concept. And this is actually really interesting because it's not just rollable, it's like a scroll.
Hands-on photography.
I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of mood and atmosphere to your favorite photographs.
This Week in Google.
The nature of the internet is it's whack-a-mole. You can't successfully block all of this.
But we spend all of our time thinking, there's somebody bad on the internet, I can't go to bed. When what we need instead is institutions and structures to emphasize and amplify the good.
TWiT News.
Samsung has announced today the S21 5G, the S21 Plus 5G, and we've got the premium of the premiums, the S21 Ultra. That starts at $1199, which actually is kind of a little bit lower than I think I expected. Which is not to say that it's inexpensive.
TWiT.
Doesn't
less
include
than
the S
crazy
Pen.
expensive.
For help with the technology addiction problem, call 1-800-TWiT.